Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal not sending verification code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow this support or PayPal support article. And from here, we can learn more about ways to fix this problem. So basically the problem is not being able to receive the text for verification. And basically this is a way to add another phone number so you can just skip this problem or you can just check your old number, etc. So we can simply add a new number and from there you can start getting your verification code from this new number so you can just solve this problem. So basically here I'm using the PayPal website and from here you will be needing first to log in and then we can start adding a new number. After that you have logged in, now we will be needing to go to the setting. And from the settings, we will be able to start adding a new phone number. So we can simply click on this gear icon. And for the mobile, it would be just clicking your profile picture or the profile icon that would be on the bottom menu. And then you can go to the setting. So from here, you will find your phone numbers. And simply, you can either change your primary, so you can change the number where you are going to get your phone verification code, or you can simply get or add a new phone number. And from here, it can be the primary one, so you can start getting your verification code, so you can uh, bypass this problem or to solve this problem. So from here, you will need just to add the problem to add the phone number, so it can be anything. You click on add phone number. Of course, you add some category, and of course, you will need to have it uh, correct. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.